Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your Spotify Wrapped. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Spotify. Okay, and once you search that, you simply need to update your Spotify application. As you can see that my Spotify is up to date, then you simply need to click on open, and here you can see my wrapped is here. But if you are unable to see here, you simply need to click on search, and here you can see 2022 wrap, the first one. Click on that and this is your wrapped here. So this is a process by which you can see your wrapped on of 2022. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.